How do you add in your honours and awards to your LinkedIn profile? So congratulations, you've won an award, well done. Let's add it to your profile. So we're on LinkedIn and we go to the Me drop-down option menu here and we go to View Profile. So here's my profile and I'm going to scroll down. As you're scrolling down, you'll notice that this bar appears up here, and that's an easy way to jump down to the bottom of parts of your profile. So click on Add Section and we're going to add in accomplishments. So we're going to put an award. So you can see in here publications, patents, courses, projects, honours and awards, test scores and languages. Let's click on honours and awards. So what award did you win? Okay, I won, last year I was nominated as I was named as a small business hero for the UK. You put your title in, then you say who it's associated with, as in what job were you doing when you got that award. So I was a LinkedIn consultant and trainer. Who issued my award? That was Small Business Saturday. So you'll see you can put whatever you want in here. I do not suggest you make up awards, but you're not getting verified. So just to be aware of that. So that was for the whole of 2020. Let's click on there. And then the description. So you have 2,000 words to do and put in here. So this is where you could basically say what it was that you did for that award. How did you win the award? And for me, it's going to be about helping small businesses. Awarded this hero status to help as recognition for work with small businesses. I've just written a couple of lines there and I'm going to just click save. And that's it. So if you scroll down then and look at the awards section, they are right underneath your recommendations in accomplishments. So Small Business Hero UK, there we go. And these are in chronological order. So 2021, 2020, this one was in 2018. This is not an award that I won, but I was showing somebody how to set up the awards, and that's why it's in there. I'm now going to remove it. So to remove an award, click on the plus button, go down to the award, pencil on the right, and it says delete honours and awards, plural. Don't worry, you're not deleting all of them. Just delete that one. Do you want to delete this? Yes, I do, because I didn't actually win it. And there we go. There's my awards section. So hopefully you'll find that helpful. If you have received an award or an honour, please add it to your profile. Because as with everything, it helps you to get found by the right people on LinkedIn.